In primetime news this evening, strike action looming at state-run JUTC.
PPV operators make new demands in light of a delayed fare increase.
And former ECJ chairman describes as the worst electoral decision since independence the move to subsume the office of the political ombudsman into the ECJ. Hello and welcome to primetime news, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com or on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Janella, we have a major update on a court case this evening where all 17 charges were dropped against an investment company. And I'll have that and more in the business day.
And Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, a rebranded track and field meet is coming for the National Stadium on May 11. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we are asking...
it has to do with the Schools Challenge quiz, Gio.
What are your predictions for the face-off between St. Jago High and Calabar in tonight's Schools Challenge quiz final?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center. It should be a very exciting one, guys.
It will be. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.